It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and today I have the Chic Beauty Box. This is a replacement for my beloved BoxyCharm. I don't know if it can replace BoxyCharm, but we are certainly going to give it a try and see what we got. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. If you have been with me a while, you know that I'm terribly sad and disgruntled that I have lost my BoxyCharm. I was not happy with Boxy by Ipsy, so I had seen this box and thought that I would give it a try to see if I can find a subscription box that I'm happy with. The feel of this box kind of reminds me a little bit of BoxyCharm. I get a card, pretty card, and it has a list of items on the back of it. This is a bi-monthly subscription box, and this box is for July and August. It includes 5 full-size items, and they have the bi-monthly plan is $34.99, or you can do 6 months for $94.99, which is what I did. I thought I would give it 6 months to see whether I like it or not, and then they do have a 12-month plan, which is $189.99. All of that is still cheaper. Well, I mean, you're not getting a box every single month, but do you need a box every month? Do we? Because then we end up with all of this stuff, and then you got to use it all up. Anyway, they really do pack. The box is little, but the good thing about that is everything is packed in there nice and tight. It's not all loosey-goosey and falling around all over the place. And we've got some little, look, that goes with my shirt. We've got some little pink squiggly doos. There is one item in here that I did as an add-on that I'm kind of excited about. So let's look at all the goodies. I knew of one of the items that was going to be in here, and I was kind of looking forward to that because it's an eyeshadow palette and a brand that I have not tried. Am I making a lot of noise? This is along with ASMR. Sure enough, I have 5 items here. I believe that they put all of the possible items on the back of the card instead of just, you know, doing specialized cards for each box. So I will tick them off as I come across them so that we can add the box up and see how much value I got for my money. Let's start with the Mud Masky. Everybody loves Mud Masky. This is the Glam Care Glow Illuminating Blush Drops. Oh, it's not a mask. They're blush drops. The color is Pink Martini. This retails for a whopping $28. Wow. Highlight, glowing, softening, brightening, and shimmering glow illuminating blush drops. Is it? Oh, look, it's in a little teeny thing. Oh. That's what that looks like. And it's actually very pretty, very soft and pretty. It has no smell to it whatsoever. I kind of like that. That would be really pretty under your foundation or even under your blush. I'm not mad about that. I'm actually kind of excited to give that a try. And then we have Give Them La La Beauty. This is something. Hydro Gloss. This retails for $16. I am not a gloss person. Well, it looks like when they printed the cap that the ink got a little wonky and it's kind of all over it. That is a hot mess. Y'all see that? I mean, not that that's going to hurt anything, but it's just kind of surprising. What shade is this? Bottle Service. is the shade. And that's what that looks like. Oh, it smells good. It really doesn't have a lot of pigment to it, not that it needs to, but let's see. Let's try the gloss out on top of my LYS lipstick. It's a gloss. It really does smell good. That's not necessarily something that I will use, but I'm not mad about that. They don't know that I'm not a lip gloss person. I believe that I was able to make a choice, a couple of choices. I don't remember what they were, but I do think that this was one of the choices that I made. This is the Ofra Your Best Lashes Yet High HD Volumizing Mascara, and it is in the shade Black, and this retails for $26. I did not know that Ofra made a mascara. There's the packaging. Your Best Lashes Yet. Oh, I like the wand, the brush. I like those type of brushes. They work really well for me. Did I get it on my nose? It feels dry. Hello? Hello? Okay. I see a little bit, but you would think there would be more than that on my finger. Okay, I'm not super impressed about that, but that's on my finger. Mascara doesn't go on your finger, so we'll have to see what happens. And then I have Suva Beauty HydroLiner. It says Doodle Matte. And I don't see this on my list, on the card, but I ordered this very late, so they could have run out of all of these products, and they used this to, like, as a fill-in. But this is what that looks like, and I'm assuming that you add water to get your liner. Okay, it's a cake eyeliner. Very interesting. I have never used anything like that before, so I'm down for trying something new. And then I have an eyeshadow palette, and it is a NARS eyeshadow palette. This is the Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette, and I have not tried anything from NARS. This palette retails for $59, and I am interested to try their formula to see how their formula is. And here's the packaging. It's the traditional NARS packaging. It's very nice. Very nicely made. And that's the color story. That's very pretty. I love that right there that has that pink glitter in there. Very pretty palette. I am looking forward to giving that a try. So that palette, like I said, that's $59, and so there's the value of the box in one eyeshadow palette. The item that I picked up as an add-on is this Beauty for Certain lipstick. I have gotten a couple of these recently. This is in the shade 24, and I am loving these little lipsticks. They are so comfortable. Look at the glowy from those Mud Masky drops. These are very, very comfortable. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. They dry down nice. They're not sticky. They're very comfortable. I really like them. I have one right here. This one is like a metallic. See, so pretty. Love those. Love them, love them. I think that's like my This is my third one, I think. So those are all of the items in my very first Chic Beauty Box. I'm going to add the products up and see what the total value comes to. I looked up the price of the Hydro Liner, and that is $16. So my box is worth a whopping $145. That's not too bad for 30-some dollars that I spent on it. I have some new products that I've never tried before. I'm excited about this, and I am excited to try out the NARS palette. Yeah, I don't know about this, and that's kind of odd, but I'm not mad. We'll see what my next box brings. Thanks so much for hanging out with me while I tried out this new to me beauty subscription box. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you, find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.